Everyone makes mistakes. All of us have made many mistakes throughout our lives. Many small mistakes and some big mistakes. We've all let others down, and even worse, we've all let ourselves down at some point. Doing something you know you shouldn't have. Acting in a way below your standards. Failing. Making mistakes. Not giving your all. What happens after moments like this can mean the difference between you living a life you can't stand and you living a life you love. Because what happens after these moments usually goes like this. The majority give up, cave in, and suffer because of it. The minority hold themselves accountable. They acknowledge their mistakes, but they don't let them become a virus that spreads throughout the rest of their life. They know that their story will have some ups and some downs. And they aren't about to throw in the whole book because of one bad page. They do not let one page turn into a chapter. They never let one page turn into the story of their life. But that is what most people do. They let one argument ruin their day. They let one bad day ruin their week. They let one mistake define their life. Move on! One mistake is not your entire life. One page does not define your book.
Screw what has happened before. You don't have to suffer for the rest of your life. Throw away who you thought you were. Who you are is so much bigger. What you are capable of is so much more. But you'll never get to that so much more unless you take responsibility for your results. All results. Not just the results you want to claim. Not just the results you want to see.
Many have said before that you are the author of your own life story. There's the you of the past. And now there's the you of your future. You who gets to decide what will be written in the next chapter of your book.
Having a cry isn't holding yourself accountable. Doing something about it is holding yourself accountable. Saying you're going to do something doesn't count. Only doing something about it counts. It's not good enough to acknowledge your mistakes. You must do something about it.
Holding yourself accountable doesn't mean others will never do you wrong. It doesn't mean everything is your fault. It means whatever happens, you are going to make it work. Whatever happens, you are going to win. Whatever happens, nothing will stop you.
Be one of the few who are strong enough to tell the world, I was not good enough, but soon I will be. I am not perfect, but I'm working to become my best self. I'm working every single day. I'll make mistakes. I'll take responsibility. I'll learn. I'll move on. I'll grow. And I will do better next time. I will set the example for anyone watching, the example that no one is perfect. But no way will that stop me from being the best I can be.